Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Guys, yesterday we learned lofted cut without guide curves. Okay, so today we will learn lofted cut with guide curves. So let's get started. Okay, first of all we will create a profiles for the lofted cut. Then click sketch for the profile. Then we will click on sketch again for the second profile. Now I will create a rectangle here. Okay. Now we will create a guide curve. Now we will make PS with this. Okay, same here. Now we create second guide curve. This point should be pierce with this. Okay, I think it's already pierced. Like this. Okay, now our profile is ready. Now we'll click on features, then lofted cut. Select first profile, then second profile. Okay, now we will click on guide curves. Then click on second guide curves. Okay guys, as you can see, our lofted cut is ready. Okay, okay, just like you can do the lofted cut by using guiding curves. Okay, thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel please if you like, and share with your friends. Okay, bye bye.